Python, confused about inheritance. I write the test code with 3 classes, and using chain of responsibility design pattern, the code below. And I print c._abc is b._abc. The answer is true, but my original think is that the two are different. Then, round 2, I uncomment self._abc equals quarks and comment other 3 lines. The answer become false. Why is it so?
First, just to make it clear, I would like to state that _abc is a class variable, not an instance variable, so its address space is shared across parent and child class. Any change in the original _abc object affects all the classes _abc object. Read about class and instance variable, here at so and here at do. To check that _abc share the same address space, we can use Python built-in id. Id return the identity of an object. This is an integer, or long integer, which is guaranteed to be unique and constant for this object during its lifetime. 2 objects with non-overlapping lifetimes may have the same id value. To check this in the first round, we can do all of them gives the same value for id. In round 2, when you uncomment self._abc equals quarks, see what happens to the value of id. Value of b._abc gets changed, but the value of c._abc and a._abc remains the same. So, what is actually happening here? When in round 1 you do you are actually modifying the shared class variable _abc. Your code here is not creating a new self._abc object, it is modifying the original self._abc class variable object, but in round 2 when you do here, the code is assigning quarks, which is a dictionary with its own address space, to self._abc. Self._abc becomes class B's instance variable, and it is only available to the class B's objects. To verify this point, you can modify your class B to print its as
If you want to support the channel,